Hello everybody. In this video we will talk about the life cycle of powering a computer, including how is the computer system loading? What does kernel and dual mode mean? And when will the computer system be able to start receiving orders from the user? Don't worry. We will answer these questions shortly. Firstly, we will start talking about how is the computer system loading. When we press on the power button and our computer start loading, it means that the processors start running looking for the BIOS. The BIOS start running the bootstrap loader. The bootstrap loader allocates the kernel. And finally, when the kernel is loaded to the memory, it means that the booting operation is ended successfully. And now, what does kernel and dual mode mean? Let's start with kernel. Kernel is the most important and significant part of the operating system. It works beside the hardware at a very low level. Actually, kernel is considered to be the lowest level of software, which works as the core of the operating system. The kernel has links with the whole system elements, like CPU, memory, the user applications, and the other attached devices. Now, we will move to talk about the dual mode. What does dual mode mean? Our devices provides two modes, switching between them frequently. The first one is user mode. The second one is kernel mode. Once the application requested hardware service, the system switches automatically to the kernel mode. So the most critical tasks are done in the kernel mode. And if some issues occurred in the kernel while doing tasks, the entire system may fail. And finally, we will end up that video with how the operating systems start receiving orders from the user and how to execute them. When we want the system to do a task as copying file from folder to another, there is something responsible for this operation. This thing is called system calls. What is system calls? System calls are the commands which enables the user to ask the operating system for doing some operation. And the user has two choices to ask for these operations: either using the command lines, or using the mouse with icons. And last but not least, we hopes this video has provided a simple imagination about the operation of powering the computer machine. Thank you for watching.